Hello guys, welcome to Android Geeks. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL Server and Workbench on Windows 10. For Windows 11, the same process will work. First of all, open any browser. I will open Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, open MySQL website. Click on download section. Scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Here, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now download the first file of 2.3 MB size. Just click on no thanks, just start my download. Start download. Let us install the file. The interface of MySQL installer looks like this. In developer default, it will install all the available packages. We don't need all the available package, so we'll click on custom section. Click on next. Click on MySQL Server. Now select this latest file and click this arrow. Repeat same process for Workbench and MySQL shell. We only need MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell. Now click on next. Click on execute. This will download a file from the server. Let us wait until the file is downloaded completely. Our file has been downloaded completely. Now click on next. Click on execute. This will install the file. Product has been installed successfully. Now click on next. Click on next to configure the MySQL server. We don't need to change anything. Just click next. Just click next. Enter the password. Remember the password you have entered here. For now, I will enter 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'll repeat the same password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I will create a user. To create a user, you have to click on add user. On user, write the username. For now, I will use the username as CMS admin, CMS underscore admin. For the password, I will use CMS DATABAS CMS database. I'll confirm the password CMS DATABAS. Just click on OK. User has been created successfully. Click on next. Click on next. Click on execute. Now click on finish. Now again click on next. Click on finish. Workbench has been installed successfully. It will open Workbench by default. This is the user we have created. To edit this, click on edit connection. You can write any connection here. For now, I will write this CMS. We need test connection. For here, enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I will save the password in bold. Click OK. Connection is successfully. Press OK. Close. Now double click this. It will open the dashboard. Now to create the database, use create database CMS. Now click on execute. Database has been created successfully. Click on schemas. Click refresh. Database has been installed successfully. In this way, you can install MySQL Workbench in Windows 10.